Hello guys, welcome back to Owlet App. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Owlet Cam that is not pairing. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there are going to be a bunch of things that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So first is you want to ensure the cam is in pairing mode. So make sure the camera is in pairing mode here. So to do this, you want to hold the small button at the back of the camera for about like 3 to 5 seconds. Now you see the light start blinking, which means it's now in pairing mode. Now, if that doesn't work and you're sure it's in pairing mode here, the next thing you want to do is you want to check your Wi-Fi connection. Now, the Owlet Cam only works on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, so it doesn't support 5 gigahertz. So make sure your Wi-Fi is on a connected to a 2.4 gigahertz network. Now, if your Wi-Fi signal is weak, try moving the camera closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi booster, or even just move your Wi-Fi closer to where the outlet is. Now, next that you want to do here is you want to also update the Owlet app. So if the Owlet app is outdated, it can cause like a lot of compatibility issues. So to fix this, you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store or the App Store, and you want to check for any updates for the Owlet app. So go ahead and just search for the name of the Owlet app. Now, also make sure it's updated to avoid any connection problems. And finally, if nothing actually works here, you could basically just reset, or in this case, reset the actual cam. So we want to hold and press the button on the back of your Owlet Cam. Again, at the back, it's going to be a very small pin that you can do here. So you want to go ahead and press and hold that button or pin on the back on the camera for about like 15 seconds. Now the status light will turn off. Then you'll hear a message saying it's resetting. And from then on, just release the button and the camera will blink red and blue, indicating it's in pairing mode again. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Owlet App. Thank you for watching.